All right, next we're going to do, where's my mouse? Next is 1415 Fleer Showcase Double Box Break number 54. This ended on March 22nd, 2015. Current date and time, 1713, 5:13, Wednesday, March the 25th, Pacific time. All right, got a sealed box here. Serial number last two are 74. Yeah, me too. It's supposed to be nice. Oh, last two, 87. Let's get some Crosby autos. Okay, good luck. Oh, nice. That exciting.
Shit.
Hey. It's live here. There might be some kids watching.
Holy crap.
We got a Metal Universe, Vladislav Nenenskina for Tampa Bay. We have a base card. I'm going to put that one in the back. Another base. Another base. And here's what I was all excited about. We have a Fleer Ultra, 6 of 125, Johnny Gaudreau auto. Card signed. It's in a plastic case, so it's a plastic sleeve there. So there we go. Thought it was closed. No. Oh, that's just the authentication.
Nice. Cards on too. Congrats to Calgary.
Mm-hmm. All right, we got our base cards. I can't even read. There we go. Got a Danley Heatley, Team Canada.
It's number 2 in there.
63 of 99. This will go to the team he's played the most games for. I'll have to check that actually.
The last World Cup.
That's your base. Oh man, these cards are hard to read. We got a Metal Universe, Eric Ekblad.
Nice.
67 of 100. Got our base. Oh wow, nice patch for a little one here. We got White Hot, 10 of 18 for the St. Louis Blues, TJ Oshie.
What shiny this one
Base. We got another Metal Universe, Steve Yzerman. This one's not numbered. Flair Showcase, Patrick Marleau. The San Jose Sharks. We got a Johnny Gaudreau auto. Not sure what teams you have. Any Buffalo? Oh no, no, I haven't seen any Buffalo yet. What's your base? Man, this stuff's nice. We have Hot Prospects for the Montreal Canadiens, Yuri Sikak. Auto patch, 2271 of 375. Base. Hot Prospects Duel for the Minnesota Wild and the Arizona Coyotes. Trevor Grabka and Tyler Gaudette. Hot Prospects for the San Jose Sharks. Nico Mueller Auto Patch. 335 of 375. Base. And then we have a Flair Showcase, Mark Messier for the New York Rangers. The Vancouver Canucks, we have Henrik Sedin, Skybox Premium 124 of 299. So base cards. Metal Universe for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Alexander Wenberg. For the Los Angeles Kings, Metal Universe, Anze Kopitar. For the Edmonton Oilers, Metal Universe, Wayne Gretzky. Last pack from the first box. No. For the New York Rangers.
Matt Zuccarello.
Is that it? Oh, there we go. Yeah, Matt Zuccarello.
Sharp looking card.
They are nice. Base. We have New York Islanders, Griffin Reinhart. Rose again.
Lots of foil in there, these ones, eh?
Mm-hmm. Rookie prospects, auto patch, 82 of 375. Tara Vinen, the Chicago Blackhawks.
Nice. Nice pull.
For the New York Rangers, we have a Skybox Premiums 132 of 299. Rick Nash. Base. Oh, nice patch. Hot Prospects auto patch. 14 of 375. Brandon Gormley for the Arizona Coyotes. For the Arizona Coyotes, we have Shane Doan. Base cards. For the Ottawa Senators, Skybox Premium Prospects, 285 of 299. Curtis Lazar. For the Detroit Red Wings, Metal Universe, Pavel Datsyuk. We pulled a really nice painting of him out of Ultimate last case. Base. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Metal Universe, Stuart Percy. Base, lots of it. For the Anaheim Ducks jersey, it's a red glow, 8 of 36. Ryan Getzlaf. You asked? Yes, the Percy was numbered to 100. Sorry, I missed that. Another Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf, Metal Universe. For the New York Rangers, Metal Universe, Anthony Duclair. For the Vancouver Canucks, Metal Universe, Bo Horvat. For the Colorado Avalanche, Matt Duchene. For sure. Two more packs. Some base. 2 hits in this one. Metal Universe, Aaron Ekblad. Skybach Premiums Prospects 104/299. The Philadelphia Flyers, Shane Gostenberger. All right. Autofocus, come on there. All right, let's I'm gonna do a randomizer between Minnesota and Arizona. All right, we'll do it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. That one will go to Arizona. So it looks like Senators, eh? Yeah. Looks like most games are Senators, eh? Yeah, it looks like most games played for good old Danny Heatley's been with the Ottawa Senators, so that'll go to the Senators. Camera's not liking these cards. Oh wait, look at that. Nobody said anything. One more pack to go. Hopefully it's good since I almost missed it. Base. And we have a Hot Prospect Duos for the Detroit Red Wings. 66/299. Landon Ferrero and Mitch Callahan. All right. Now that's definitely it.